Turn on windshield wiper. Turn off windshield wiper. 3 ways on how to activate or turn on your windshield wiper. So the first one, you got your lever on your left hand side. You press on that and it will squirt water, and then that will activate your windshield wiper. If you go to your screen, you can control it from here, the speed. You can go 1, you can go 2, you can go 3, you can go 4, you can go auto from here. Okay, that's how you activate it. So that's 1, that's 2, a little bit faster. 3, yeah, it's moving. And 4, go crazy with it. Let me turn this off from here. And the second one, you see the icon on the bottom left corner, the car icon, press on that. Okay, if you look all the way down, like right in the middle, lights across that, that's the windshield control, wiper control. So you can go auto, it detect water and will activate it. So you can go 1, 2, a little bit fast, 3, moving a little bit faster, or 4, you go crazy with it. So you can turn it off from here. So the third one, this is what I like. You press on that button right there and it will activate the voice command. You see that green icon in the bottom left hand corner? That's the voice command. Turn on windshield wiper. Okay, it started with 2 out of 4. Windshield wiper, 3 out of 4. So this one is 3 out of 4. You can go 4 out of 4. You can go crazy with it. You can go auto from here. You can turn it off. Turn off windshield wiper. Turn it off. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment down below. Peace out.